Over a 3.5-month period, the U.S. Federal Reserve, the American Central Bank, has printed a little over $3 trillion in order to counter the economic impact of Ms. Rona. This money was pumped into the economy by buying bonds from financial institutions. The idea behind putting money into the economy was to drive down interest rates and hope that people and businesses borrow and spend more, and in the process revive the American economy. A portion of the easy money created by the Fed to supposedly drive down interest rates found its way into the stock market in America and across large parts of the world. This explains the V-shaped recovery of the U.S. stock market recently. In fact, the central bank worldwide is doing the same quantitative easing, that is money printing, and inject it into the market, in order to avoid a financial market collapse. The act of central bank printing more money via stimulus packages would only add to the supply of money in circulation into the market. Value comes from scarcity, and when more is being found in the market, the less valuable it becomes. This applies to the currency as well. At the rate of money printing is taking place worldwide currently, every dollar that you have now will eventually worth half of what it used to be few years later. This devaluation of currency is called inflation. Inflation is usually seen reflected almost immediately on the investment asset, for example stock, Bitcoin, real estate, and etc. The rich understand this very well and leverage on it greatly in order to make millions if not billion during crisis time, including this current one. While majority of the masses in general panic during such crisis, but not the rich. To the rich, crisis equal Black Monday. What the rich are doing to make profit off this economic crisis. When crisis hit, the rich get out of cash and get into real assets. Inflation will make sure these assets are inflated over time. What are the assets the rich get into and where you and I should also look into? In 2020, invest into cryptocurrency, example Bitcoin, to store the value of their money as currency get devalued via government continuous money printing. Bitcoin has appreciated by 60% thus far, year to date only a mere 7 months time frame. Second, invest into gold, as gold is perceived as believably a scarce commodity. Third, stock. When China first announced to the world of the Wuhan virus, the rich smell the perfect storm brewing. So the rich get out of stock market as early as December 2019 to January 2020, when news of Ms. Rona broke out in Wuhan, China, and went in to buy back stock at the bottom, stock which has sound and disruptive business model, which could provide alternative solution to the world at a cheaper cost, for example, Tesla, and stock which could thrive during recession, for example, Amazon, Netflix, Zoom, and more. Fourth, buying real estate at dirt cheap prices with historical low bank interest rate. When people lose their jobs during crisis, market sentiment is bad, real estate prices would tank, and this will be an opportune time for the rich to scoop up great properties at dirt cheap prices.
Have you learned a lot thus far? Do you know that you can also contribute back to the society? How, you may ask? Just by your little actions of clicking on the like button on this video to tell the YouTube algorithm that you find that this content is great and you like YouTube to continue to push this video to reach to as many people as possible.
I appreciate you.
Fifth, getting into good debt to buy up good business that suffers during the crisis at a fraction of its cost. For example, many hotels were bought over by opportunistic investor at garage sale prices, discount of up to 30%, with intention of some to turn them into service apartments or even commercial buildings. Now that we know what the rich are doing during crisis to profit from it, what about you? What did you do or plan to do in order to profit from current Ms. Rona's crisis? Remember to give a like to this video and do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. We upload new video every weekly. Make sure you do not miss out on them. Thanks for watching and bye.